While working out back and arms today, no equipment needed, just your fitness mat. You can get the full 3-week schedule on my website, and there's also recipes if you need meal ideas. If you're looking for motivation, stay connected with the rest of the community on YouTube, Instagram, and Discord, and watch out for a massive giveaway in an upcoming episode that you won't want to miss. You know what to do, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into the workout. We've got 14 exercises in this back and arms workout, 40 seconds on and 5 to 10 seconds off. Get on your mat and we're starting the workout with shoulder taps. Start in a high plank position by placing your hands right below your shoulders. Tap one shoulder at a time, then lift one arm up, then repeat on the other side. Keep your core engaged here. Now flip around, then get into a reverse tabletop position, and we've got some crab toe touches. Touch your toe with your opposite hand. This can be difficult if you're starting out, so just take breaks if you need to. It's okay. Flip around into a high plank position, and it's time for plank rows. Lift your elbows vertically and try not to poke your butt up too much. This helps to work your arms, core, and back. Keep pushing. Now get flat on the mat, and we've got swimmers. Make sure your core is engaged and lift the opposite arm and leg. Just go nice and slow, engage that core. Get in a low plank position, and we're doing some low plank walks. Make sure you're going slow and preferably on your mat so you don't injure your elbows. Make sure you don't poke your butt up as well, and if you need an alternative, just do plank hold. Get flat on your mat once again, and we're doing a Superman into a back squeeze. Lift both arms and legs up, then bring your elbows back and give your back a good squeeze. Do it slow and controlled, and be careful. You're doing great, guys. Get into a high plank and we're doing some push-up rotations next. If you can't do a regular push-up, it's totally okay. Just do on your knees. Make sure your elbows aren't flaring out too much. Keep it at 45 degrees. Try your best. You'll get stronger over time, so don't worry if you can't do a normal push-up. Lay flat on your mat again, extend your hands to your side like so, and give yourself a thumbs up while you do some raises. This helps to work your upper back and your lats. Just go nice and slow. We're more than halfway through the workout, guys. It will be over soon. Let's do this. Now get in a high plank position. We're gonna do a push-up, then you're gonna push your hips back into a stretch like so. It's almost like a downward dog, then back into a high plank again and repeat. And if this is too hard for you, you can always do it on your knees. It's okay. Great job, guys. Now get on your knees and we've got arm circles next. We're just rotating our arms in a circle and we're going to start clockwise. This is gonna burn, so just keep going. You can do it.
Looking at blue skies, dreaming of old times. Brighter days will come. Looking at blue skies with you in my mind.
Now in the other direction.
Brighter days will come, and I'll be the only one.
Okay, no rest here. We're going to do some forward pulses. You can do this, guys. Just 4 more exercises. Make sure your arms are lifted up and straight. Don't let it down. Keep it up the entire time. You can do it. Now we're going back into arm wings. Don't just swing your arms back and forth. Make sure you work your back and your arms. Keep that mind-muscle connection.
I am 10 feet off the ground. I see it all even when looking down. Don't wanna hold on to the times you were around.
Alright, now we're doing some forward pulses. Just 1 more exercise to go, guys. We'll be done. Just make sure you don't let your arms down. Keep them lifted.
Looking at blue skies, dreaming of old times. Brighter days will come. Looking at blue skies with you in my mind. Brighter days will come, and I'll be the only one. Looking at blue skies, dreaming of old times.
Without any rest, we're gonna do pulse down. Final exercise, guys. Keep pushing through. I know your arms are burning, but you can do it. And that's the workout, guys. You did it. Keep going with the workout schedule and let us know in the comments how you're going. Smash that like button and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!